Hello, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, here is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, will be required to present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Please read the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can contact us by connecting. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.